Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
ការ Sorkar មេឃាលយាកណ្ដឹងពិនក្រែឆាឆាបានពិនកលាថ្មយករកំបញ្ញាយកជីងសាមហាគីអាតលីនងបាដាកបថ្មបានThaw Tang Kawei ka buat Treikam kabala pan penbej ya ka jingklan uput Treikam hapadeng kitana Treikam baper laitu menteri ke Sorkar jila bakmi ya ka tanat public health engineering Marcus and Marak ha ka jing ekran megilap thai kubor Marak uloong bakarukom Treikam ka badan menta ha ki nong ba kum ka Shillong ba Tura ka kenthop bon teli kitana Treikam ka babun sien ka wanra ya ka jing slam bat ka jing kulmar ha ba ki pai ba ki ujor ya ki jing e
The nature of working of the supplying of water at the moment in our state, is having different stages. PH is supplying in Shillong city in bulk to municipal board and in bulk to cantonment board and so on and so forth. So they are the one who is distributing waters to all the localities or to individual households in Shillong city. There are challenges by having this system now. Lots of challenges are there, and that challenges, sometimes you yourself has brought the issues before me also several times that if somebody complains tomorrow that there is a leakage in some locality, which has happened long back also, so then what happened, I call my chief engineers, my officers from PhD department, they will go for the examination. And once after the consultation or examination is done, they'll report back, sir, this is not our jurisdiction. It's the jurisdiction of Shillong Municipal Board, maybe it is the jurisdiction of Cantonment Board. Then what happened? The authority remains with them. And therefore, there are lots of challenges in delivering all these kind of challenges or problems in addressing these issues and challenges also. Therefore, we thought of bringing up one mechanism, one platform, one authority where all this will be resolved at one go, and we can go for a total reformation for the entire Shillong city and for entire Shillong agglomerations. Not only in Shillong, we'll be going to Tura also. In Tura, we have PHE department is also supplying, and then Garo Hills Autonomous District Council is also supplying. So therefore, there are challenges in between the two authorities there. So therefore, this act we are bringing up, we will consult. Only after the consultation is done, we will go ahead with this. So it will take some more time.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.